Children, welcome to the online classes. So, now today we are going to do with the new words in our classwork for the lesson different houses. So, let us write. First one, Protect, protect. Protect, protect. Comfort, comfort. Then temporary, temporary. Permanent, permanent. Write this capital T. Temporary. Temporary. Permanent. Permanent. Strong. Strong. Bungalows, bungalows. Bungalows. Skyscrapers. Skyscrapers. Flat, flat. Caravan. Igloo, igloo. Architect, architect. Mason. Carpenter, carpenter. Plumber. Electrician. Painter. Special. Okay. Protect. Protect. Comfort. Comfort. Temporary. Temporary. Permanent. Permanent. Strong. Strong. Bungalows. 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 Skyscrapers. Skyscrapers. skyscrapers, skyscrapers. flat, 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 flat. caravan, 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 caravan. igloo, 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 igloo. architect, 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 architect. mason, 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 mason. carpenter, 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 carpenter. plumber, 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 plumber. electrician, electrician. electrician, electrician. painter, painter, painter. special, 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 special. Okay, so write this. Then next we are left with the question and answers on page number 60. Okay, page number 60 open. Let's write the question and answers. D-bit. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Why do we need a house? Why do we need a house? Why do we need a house? We all need a house to live in. Okay, why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. W-E-V-N-E-E-D, need. We need a H-O-U-S-E, house to live in. Put a full stop. Why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. We need a house to live in. What materials are used to make permanent houses? So see, check. What materials are used? Cement, brick, concrete. See, they are made of bricks, cement, steel and glass. Bricks, cement, steel and glass. What materials are used to make permanent houses? B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks, comma, C-E-M-E-N-T, cement, comma, S-T-E-E-L, steel, and glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Bricks, cement, steel and glass. Bricks, cement, steel and glass. Why do houses in hilly areas have sloping roofs? Why? So that rain and snow will fall down easily. Such roofs allow snow and rainfall to fall easily. Such roofs allow snow and rainwater fall off easily. Okay. Sloping roofs, S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping roofs allow snow and rainfall, snow and rainwater to fall off easily. Rainwater to fall off easily. Sloping roofs allow snow and rainwater to fall off easily. Why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. Why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. What materials are used to make permanent houses? Bricks, cement, steel and glass. Bricks, cement, steel and glass. Why do houses in hilly areas have sloping roofs? Sloping roofs allow snow and rainwater to fall off easily. Okay, complete this. The next circle time. This is Mary's house. Fill in the blank missing letters and write the names of the rooms. What is this? Which room? It is a bedroom. 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 This is bathroom. 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 KITCHEN. 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 This is drawing room. DRAW. Drawing. ROOM. Room is fitting. DRAWING. Drawing room. I'm sorry, dining room. Sorry, it is dining. It is dining room. DINING. 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 Dining room. This is living room. LIVING. Living. ROOM. Room. Living room. This is study. STUDYING. Studying. Okay. BEDROOM. Bedroom. BATHROOM. Bathroom. KITCHEN. Kitchen. DINING. ROOM. Dining room. LIVING. ROOM. Room. Living room. This is study. STUDYING. Studying. Okay. Then go to the next page. 61. Do you switch off the lights? Do you take care of your house? Check and tick what you do. Okay, do you switch off the lights when you do not need them? Yes, we have to do that. Whenever we need to on. And whenever we don't need, you have to switch off. Do you keep the house clean? Yes. Do you keep your playthings in their proper places? Yes. Do you turn off the tap after use? Yes. Do you throw the garbage in the dustbin? Yes. We should do all these things to keep our house neat and clean. Okay, activity or project. Ask two students to paste the pictures of different types of houses. Ask them to do a project on how early man lived in natural shelters and how he learned to build the houses. Okay, then you first, I will give you only one work here. Paste the pictures of different types of houses in your classwork. This is your homework. Paste the pictures of different types of houses. Only paste the pictures of different houses like caravan, tent house, bungalow, building, skyscrapers, house on boat, igloo. All these pictures you need to paste it. Okay. Then that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with a new topic. Have a good day.